So I'm going to start putting in the windows today. Sky's blue, no rain, no heavy wind, no strong wind. So I'm here at my friend Lou's house, Mina's house, and we're gonna work on this together. First we'll start with the portholes in the back. They're small. Please God, help me make this happen, okay? Don't want the holes too big or too small. It's better that than too big, but here we go. So this is the first part of my video on the installation of the windows to make my van look like a camper instead of a commercial truck. Love you guys. Just keep watching. I'm gonna edit through this, so I'm only gonna pick out the good stuff. All right. Any mistakes, I won't let you think that I'm perfect, so I'll show you those too. All right. So first thing, here's the box. Here's the porthole. This is the glass.
Got it.
That, hey, I had this stuff put on for soundproofing, I guess, and didn't think about putting windows in until later. So I'm going to trace this on this box, inside perimeter, and this sits on top. So here we go.